Hello everybody, this is Shrek aka Shrikant or vice versa. So after a long period of time I'm creating videos again. I know there may be more than a month or 2 months or nearly like 6 months, but I'm trying to make videos again, as you can see. So in this period of time I created some blogs. I created account on dev.to, Hashnode, Medium. That I'm not that much of active on Medium, but I'm active on Hashnode and dev.to. So I also created a repo named Site from Scratch on GitHub. I will give a description into link or give a link into the description. And I'm sorry about any grammatic mistakes, but I'm trying it. Okay, so what did I build? So I just thought how it will feel to create a blog or website or CMS from the scratch, from very start, like creating an index.html file, then adding all the parts day by day, and then creating style sheets, JS, JavaScript, images, image building, and something like that. So I will also use some tools if I need to. So I just created a site from scratch repo in this blog. After that I just go and create an index.html file, a blank I created a blank index.html file and added the common code like doc type in head with title hello world and body hello world, just like that. Nothing less, nothing more. No SEO based blog or website. I go back, and next time I created a boiler. I used a boilerplate created by VS Code. VS Code is a code editor made for web dev or software developers, which helps us to create websites, softwares, or tools like that. As you can see at here, it created a boilerplate, UTF-8. These are all SEO things, and title hello world and headings. I also changed the body part. I added a header tag with header class, and nav bar with nav class, and wrapped them into a wrapper. I made them separate because there are too many blocks about confusing about. You have to put navbar into the header, or you have to put header into the navbar, like that. But at SEO log point and accessibility, you have to make them separate. But I also want to control both of them simultaneously in style sheets in future. So I just wrap them into one, like a container, and they are child of it. Okay, and a tag with br breaking line. So it just made a very childish website, as you can see. And I also created a pull request of it, but you will don't have to choose it. After that I created a part 4 in which I created some main section and footer section with footer tag, main section with main tag. It's just similar to div tags. And also created a blank file. I did not added any line of code in that files, but I just created a style.css and script.js. Both are their respective folders named js and styles, and both folders are into the static name folder named static, as you can see. Look like this. And license and readme.md file are created while creating a repo on GitHub. and also linked them into the HTML file. Also created a pull request output, which you can go to blog or directly repo. As you can see, I added within head tag this style sheet static styles.css, and in the last part of the body script, as you can see, blank css file and blank js file. After that, I go to part 4. So what did I part 4 needed? So whenever I gone to my websites, it shows up an error into the dev tools of console, like favicon.ico is not available. What is favicon.ico? Favicon.ico is file, which is used like just like an icon. As you can see at here, there is icon of GitHub. Anywhere else, like at here, there is icon of dev. So I just have to add an icon into it. So for that, I just have to go on. I used a third-party website. I'm not promoting it, but you can use anything like that. At there, I uploaded my photo of CodeWithShriekDj. As of now, that's also logo of my channel, and they created some files just like this. Wait. They created some files, a zip file. I downloaded it, extracted it, and ported it into root of the website where the index.html lives on, and then added some link tags to correct my favicon.ico file and manifest of favicon.ico file. So what are they doing? Like as I said, favicon.ico is an image file used as website icon, and that's not a one file. They use layers of images on one another and create a one file whenever we load. As I can understand, I may be wrong, but as they said, and files are structured like this. As you can see, Android Chrome, Apple Touch, favicon 16 by 16, 32 by 30, favicon.ico, index.html already, and site.manifest. It is a text file. I opened it, and it is a text file in a format of JSON, in which all other files location is tracked. It may be used by SEO or web crawlers. As you can see, I also informed what are the or list of the files name, and this is the pull request of it. You can see it. After that, in last part, I'm not ending this series of blogs. I just created until part 6. I will modify it in future, but as of now, what sections are added more? So header and navbar completed, main section and footer is completed also. So what remaining? This not an aside section. I intentionally not added aside section because aside section will be not in the main part, but or in a home page, but other pages. But as of now, we will forget about aside section. So I didn't have any search bar. I don't have a server side rendering, but I just created a dummy search bar, a blank search bar with form of method get. Obviously, search needed get method, not a post method. Forms like contact us or anything else needed maybe post, but for search it needs get method with label search here and input as type search. Name is search key. I did name search key because it acts like a dictionary for a server, and name is a key name, and the value is the strings typed into the text box or input box, and after submit it will send us on this location at search. Okay, but there is a problem. Whenever I clicked a search here icon or named, it does not automatically enter into the input box. So for that I have to add a id of search id and link that search id to for. So after that, whenever I click a search here name, the word search here name in my website, I automatically my placeholder or typing into input box. Then after that I created a hero section into the main section. Hero section into the main section. I will just show you in my pull request. Like at here, I created in downside of wrapper. I created search bar, dummy search bar, and also created an hero section which may be like a slider on a screen of website or front page, anything like that. It may be in an image or anything else, but we will think about it. As of now, this code looks something like this. I'm sorry about that. Okay, so this code something look like this in this .html. As you can see, .ic related files, my style sheet, my wrapper, search bar, main section and hero section into the main section, and footer section and script src. I will try to create some text also, and after that styles, then javascript, then web, then graphical images building like svgs, then worker, then react.js or something like that, frameworks, then server side rendering, one after another. And I will also tell about how you can port your websites from GitHub pages to a custom domain, what are the issues and how to resolve them. Thank you.